Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Arabic the Easy Way with Ahmed. Today we're going to learn the first letter of the Arabic alphabet. It's simple, fun and very important. Let's begin. On the screen you can see this letter Alif. Say it with me. Alif. One more time. Alif. Great job. Alif is the first letter of the Arabic alphabet. Pronunciation. Let's learn how to pronounce Alif. By itself, Alif is usually associated with the long AA sound, similar to the A in the English word father. When it carries a Hamza and a vowel mark at the beginning of a word, it can represent different short vowel sounds. Let's practice together. Say A, A, A. Say A, like the A in apple. A, A. Say E, like the I in ink. A, E, ink. A, apple. E, ink. O, like the O in pot. O, pot. O, pot. Excellent. A, E, O. A, E, O. Excellent. Now let's say them together. One more time. Now let's write the letter. Alif is one of the easiest Arabic letters to write. Watch carefully. Start at the top, then draw one straight vertical line all the way down. That's it. Just one straight line from top to bottom. Let's write it again. Ready? Down. Perfect. Now let's learn some words that begin with Alif. Asad. Asad. It means lion. Can you say it? Asad. It means mother. Say it with me. Ibra. Ibra. It means needle. Excellent. Let's review. Letter. Name. Alif. Sound. Long A, and with vowel marks it can be A equals A, I equals I, U equals U. How to write it? One straight vertical line from top to bottom. Great work. Fantastic. Today you learned the first Arabic letter, Alif A. In our next lesson we'll learn the second letter. But if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new Arabic lesson. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. مع السلامة.